So the game plan for today is pretty simple. Hook up and cook up, which the cooking is going to be part 2 of this video. So I hope you guys hit that sub and turn on that notification bell because you're not going to want to miss that. That fish went down. And Kwame's going to be leading us to the spot today. First we're going to grab some bait, which I'm hyped about because I got to get bait with my boy Joseph. He was at work, he saw us getting bait and he came over, and like, he's one of those hardcore, do whatever it takes to get the fish kind of fisherman. And I was hyped to get this little bait, this little bait session in with him because he's going to be leaving for college and he's going to be gone for an entire year. So after that, we're going to pull up to the spot, which was a walk. The BVI is like, it has hidden gems. Like, you have to work for them, but when you find them, it's like food for your eyes and therapy for your soul. And there's just no other way to describe it. But this trip was especially hard because we didn't know what we were up against. And the walk to the spot was like 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it turned out to be even longer because I forgot my rod, had to run back and come back to the spot. Trevon popped his flip-flops. He had to walk on corals and all sort of horrible stuff for like 1 hour and 30 minutes. I don't know how he did it, and he was carrying load, like 40 pounds of extra load. I had to do it on my way back because I felt sorry for him and I gave him my flip-flops so he can make it back. And man, I almost shed a tear. It hurts like hell. I almost shed a tear, man. Like, I don't know how he did it. So the sun closed on us really fast, and we head back, and man, when it got dark, the sky just lit up and it was amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys stick around and watch the entire video, and here we go. Enjoy. Joseph gonna take a cast. Back up, Joseph. Joseph gonna take a cast. We ain't fished together in so long. He's working right now. Yeah, it's a throwback. He working right now, so he just came over to see what's up, and he's gonna get a cast in. Oh, them is 2 solid mullets, bro. Those are big mullets. Come here.
Yo, I think that's the biggest one I ever seen.
Look at spine. Damn it. Look at this, guys. That is a big mullet. That is a big mullet. It's a fatty. He's going in the bucket. He's got like bait for the entire day. He can barely.
It's been a pleasure walking with you, man.
It's difficult to even sit in there. These are hog legs. These are hog legs.
It has been a pleasure walking with you. Y'all step like on the set, eh?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. The whole reason why I don't come on this pipe is because I don't want to fall off. Oh, we here. Look at them. Look at them over there. Oh, look, they up there also. Look at that. They over there. And I got some over here too. Whoa, that's a lot. Straight up, Pedro. Just stick a cast in the middle. What? You just crossed the whole trench. You got. Don't tell me that net stuck. You got. Boy, you got a couple in there. Yes.
Yeah, man, I see at least 2.
I see at least 2 too. 3.
Yeah, 3.
tree. That's a tarpon.
Which one?
Yo, them are tarpons.
Nah, this is mullet, man.
Them are tarpons, dude.
No, the fucking tarpons for real.
Baby tarpons.
Oh shit, all of them.
No, this one here is a mullet.
So what you want? Do you want to lose a tarpon?
Yeah, we putting back them tarpons.
Well, come and revive them. Like, what you like to do? I know maybe once they got in there.
No, just throw them back in. They don't need reviving.
Wait, so they may get tired out.
They may get tired out. Damn.
What them doing?
They just chilling. Send one. Let me see. Ah.
This is the mullet. This is the. Let's hold up there.
Let me see this. Ah. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Baby tarpons. Gotta send him back in.
That's my first time seeing a baby one, you know. In all my years of fishing.
I catch them in here before.
So small?
Yeah.
They what?
Little shrimp.
Oh shit. Live?
No. Fake shrimp, dude. Yeah, you see that? Pop him back in. Clunk. There he goes.
I'm gonna try to wash it out.
That's cool.
Huh?
That's alright.
Leave it like that.
Yeah. We got 3 nice mullet. Them should do. Some fat one too. Nyong, nyong. Hiya. Ow. Ah. That's some hard branches. Yeah. No, they're throwing the fish in first.
When? Since when?
What?
Since when?
Since the last time I threw them in there, all of them died.
Oh, sorry, go.
So we got bait. We're getting out of here now.
I will check out, man. How you going?
Yeah. How long you been gone for? How long you gonna be gone for?
Yeah.
A whole year.
You see me fucking sending river fishing and lake fishing.
Lake fishing.
Bass. Check out.
Yeah.
You? Alright.
We gotta make it work somehow.
Like strap popping down.
You want to cast?
But I can't see that. You know what? Oh,
We could walk that dog.
strap dog.
Yeah, big. I'll show you. Cast it.
Cause them a big spread.
Run your net.
I never show this nothing. I never really... Wait.
Okay, see how I'm rolling.
You can see him?
Yeah, you can see them?
Cause see I'm a little too good.
Look right there. You can see them right there, dog?
I mean, I could see him move, but I can't.
Look in a light spot. You'll see fish moving right there, right in front of you.
Oh, I see him.
You got, if you want to be a fisherman, you got good eyes, you know. Eat your carrot.
Eat your carrots. Let me
Right
gone.
in front of you. Again, right in front of you, right there.
I got. Look at Joe come right. Net full.
I don't want to train all this before.
Yes.
Where you going there, pal? Where you going? Where you going?
I will drop.
Boy, right there,
I should let you go.
Yeah, legal. Wherever game we go.
Now that's a good throw.
He's still here, camp. But remember, you want your catch now. If you want your catch.
Yeah, Trev. This is chum, you know.
Again. I'll take a throw out and throw again. I know.
Gone.
Yeah, perfect throw.
You got some right in front of you here, dog.
Let me bring the bait.
I could feel them.
You can't possibly throw it here and not have.
Let's be careful for the shot, then coming up behind the net.
Oh, they have a lot of
Look at these 1-4 some
Fat.
fucking giants, my son. None of these one I can't get. Not all of them one day.
Right on the stand up there. I see him. Watch it. Watch it. Them bad boys scatter.
You supposed to do.
I got.
Straight to the bucket. Don't land. Straight to the bucket.
Them gain now.
Let's see you straight to the bucket now.
Just chuck them in there.
Look, this one here like he want to catch it on. You see?
Yeah.
Like, nah, take me.
Come here.
Take me, cause I can't afford this one. I'm going to let me see if you want to.
What's it called? Good call.
Good call. Bye, Trev.
I'll be good.
Don't step on them coral.
They're too diggy, man.
Yeah. Some cable, so I want to pull cable. Basically what I want to do, right? I want to get just one kayak because I want to go down by long way western. No way, I want to go down by western, right? And paddle to the kayak and drop down deep. Alright, well, you could drop on the beat.
Stay over there with the kayak. Don't come here with that is this here story, no, my son.
No, I never come in from this way, dog. I just come out. And sometimes I just walk around.
It's too late to get lost.
Nah, this way, man. Yeah, no, you got a pan like it?
A pan?
Yeah. What up?
No idea.
Yeah. It's a regular pan.
Oh, that's that.
Wait, like, as you pass the bridge, that one is just like that.
That's just a big hole with water in it. That ain't a pan.
To clean up the water and stuff.
Not going uphill. You hear that, Trevor? Then you gotta go down. You see, like this is why we need ATV. So like that little pond connected to this big pond.
You see way back here where this bush is? You see the high piece there?
Yeah.
I had to go way around the back.
Alright, let me go. We going back round to the other side of Beef Island.
The bluff.
Yeah.
You can imagine some people drive down here. Crazy. Yeah. You look back there, right? Yeah, that's why you say when I mean build a hole. I put my city on the map and let me tell you.
We have arrived. Have we?
We are now in the building.
We are back in the facility. I feel so sorry for you right now, Trevon.
Huh? You got a slipper somewhere out there.
You got what?
A slipper somewhere out there. But that rock had to go on something with a blue water. But they go really wrong to that point, dog.
We heading out there now.
Yeah, I go really wrong.
Let me go. Trevon, keep an eye peeled for a slipper while we going. It will make sense to get one slipper because you gone with his slipper.
If I find a crack on the
Bluetooth. Destruction.
may put them big in it, dog. And it's a crack to that. Oh, straight.
Stretch it. Gone.
Okay. Okay then.
Okay then. He got shoes.
Okay then.
You best keep them.
Man, let me just put this up, go back. Got more. Alright, now go.
Yeah.
Some of these are to go fishing in there.
Yeah.
Right there's the Chinese there. They got some nice deep water.
So where the put on spot there?
They just spot all along there. All along there got fish there.
How you gone?
All along there got fish. Right? Yellow tape, big yellow tape.
Where the where my rod?
Other one?
The 3-piece.
You heard of it? You leave it on the Jeep? You leave it on the Jeep?
I see Trevon pick up the heck.
No! You leave it on the back of the Jeep? Point to get covered to get his head. No!
So that means I walk with a reel alone.
Go back quick. Go back, go back.
Ah, heck.
Right, just follow the road down.
Am I gonna carry all this shit?
Yeah, no, good. Okay, right. Just leave them there. Nobody gonna trouble them, nobody gonna come out here.
Let me get the keys just in case it's inside the vehicle.
That's a good idea.
I could have swear I see Trevon pick up that heck and sling it on his shoulder.
Karen, I'll point down to her do this shit.
Alright, I shall be back. So I left my rod back at the Jeep by accident. I thought Trevon had it, so apparently it's there and I have to go back to get it. And this is like a 30-minute walk and we're pretty late already, so I'm gonna have to make it fast. Got my knife out in case I run into anything. Uphill. There we go. Never go downhill straight. Go sideways, because you can always stop like that. If you try to stop, you might go forward if you're going down straight. This is taking the breath out of me. So sometimes there are big dogs back here. Of course they got owner, but sometimes, you know, shit can happen. So better to be prepared than to be sorry. I can barely talk. Okay, which way? Which way did I come from? I think I went that way. Or is it this way? Uh-huh. I think it's this way. Footprints, footprints, footprints. Footprints.
Back out on the beach. And the vehicles are all the way over there. So I gotta walk this whole stretch. Go back around there. Yeah, sure. Yes, it is here. I've got it.
Look at this little guy that I picked up. Oh, it's a big guy, not a little guy. Oh well. Leave him on the side of the track. There you go. Knock yourself out. Yes! We have finally arrived. Got my hands back on the rod holders. Let's get going. I and I man back.
Yeah, what you doing?
So we're traveling to the final spot. Gotta go around the turn. That turtle. And he stinks. Surf's up, bro. I ain't gotta come up there, dog. What the hell I gotta come up there for? I see you at the top.
No, I can get up there. That's no problem.
No, wait, don't come up yet. I want you to hand me the stuff. You check?
Go on. Right there. Just like that. It got grip, cause once you get your body up, it got grip. You know? There we go.
There we go.
Come look, come on, this side.
Here, right?
Yeah. Alright, what first? Right.
Rod.
Who you with? Where that time from? Hey, you could get up.
We ain't gonna cook up here, but we need the liquid. Yes. It has reach.
Hey, check. The rock does go in there.
Okay. Let's test it out. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I got him. Got him. Eh.
Oh, check on it.
That's the easiest way out.
Yellow tail.
That's one.
That's one. Yes. Ah, perfect size.
Yep.
You hook up?
Not yet. I was eating something. Wait, move to the side, guys. I got no way. Shut me on the shit plan.
Is well, what you think, dog? Hey. Yeah.
Shit. I'm eating this shit already.
Cannonball!
Hey. What? Damn.
It got on your forehead? Oh, you have mullet shit on your forehead. Cause if you hook a big shark up here, how we going to fight it, dog?
How's you gonna fight it out? Time for watching.
Wash hair, you see.
Time for watching.
Got him! Bring him here!
And then let's see when he fights it out.
Yes!
What is it?
Yes!
Snap up.
Woo! We're gonna eat tonight. Woo! Well, damn! Show him off, show him off. Looky here, guys. Woo!
That's a big guy.
Yeah. What you got? What you got?
Yellow tail look like, yep.
Yellow tail. Yes. Woo!
He swallowed
Ah.
up.
Phew. Yellow tail. All right, guys, time to get back down. Hey, catch what you saying?
Wait, hand over there. Cobra. Look. That's it.
Assist me. Okay.
Hey! This straight.
Eye straight. Boy, shed a little bit of flesh.
Wait.
Finger. Down there rough.
About there? Oh,
So, yeah,
right there?
we're in the process
Alright, watch it. Take off it.
of making shoes made in the back of the Virgin Islands. Limited edition. You cannot get another pair of this.
Coral 2000.
Yeah, Coral 2000s.
Yes. There we go. Okay. Alright. That's about it there. Coral 2000 people. Made exclusively in the VI. GoPro turn off. GoPro stop recording.